one of our gCADPlus users is having some difficulty with this particular design. Notice that the design's been nicely done, and if I move away from here, go to gCADPlus and say show me the symbols with names, then all of the symbols in the design have been tagged to the particular GCP file that this design practice uses, and there's a plant schedule automatically created from it. But notice that if I select this frame here, and remember in here we're in model space, I'll go to format, and he's having some difficulty with seeing images in the layer. You'll notice that they're all blank here. If I go to images, notice that gCADPlus saves the path to the images. So at the moment, they're all looking at a user Naren and onto their laptop and the OneDrive area, and then pictures and desktop, so that the images are stored in different places in the network. If you move those images around, or indeed move, as in this case, the designer has sent this design to me, but not brought these images with it, it's actually best to save the images that you're going to use in the same folder as the drawing itself. But we could fix this by finding, a large leaf bromeliad must be in the system somewhere. So when we try and print here, these images are not going to be visible. They won't show. So you need before you print, you're going to make sure that the path structure in the network is correct. So it's much better actually if you're working on a shared network, put all the images in a folder, one folder, and then everyone can use and draw on them from there. We don't have a system to save the parts, save the images with the file. That would be simpler, but you're going to make a very big file. This is now quite an efficient little drawing. We go File and File Size 409 kilobytes, which is quite elegant. So the design's been nicely done. If we go to a layout space here, here's the sheet. It's managed to pick up the title block, but it's still missing some logos and so on, which are embedded in here. So the only reason that our designer's having some trouble is that images and blocks have been moved, and once they've been moved, gCADPlus can't find them. So you need to be a little careful about housekeeping